Do you know how to use a QR code? No? Okay, let me explain it. A QR code is a little square full of information. By scanning a QR code with your phone or tablet, you can open a website, watch a video, download an app, or get access to useful information without needing to type anything. Now, let's do it together. First, open the camera app. Second, make sure the QR code is in the center of the screen. You will notice the name of the website highlighted on the bottom of the screen. Once you see it, just tap on it. And within seconds, you will be redirected to the website you just scanned. Once you are on the website, you just need to swipe up and down to see all the useful information. Now that you know how to use a QR code, you might be wondering what are the common uses of a QR code. As technology has evolved, it's now very common to see companies use QR codes for advertising and marketing. Using this method, they direct their customers to their websites and promotions. Businesses also use QR code for mobile payments. This way, you can submit quick payments without using cash. QR codes are also very helpful with the logistics of any business, such as tracking products in an easy and simple way. Event organizers have started using QR codes for digital tickets. And education is never behind. By scanning a QR code, you can get access to online educational material. Does the QR code get saved on my phone? The answer is no. The QR code will not get stored in the memory of your phone. Is it safe to use a QR code? The answer is yes, but be very mindful when you use one. Make sure you only scan QR codes from trustworthy sources, such as a store or official institutions. Do not open unknown links that require personal information without first verifying them. Do I need internet to scan a QR code? The answer is yes. In most cases, you need to be connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Because many of QR codes lead to online websites or mobile applications. If you like this video, show us some support by clicking on the subscribe button. This way, you will be part of our community and get notifications every time we post a new video. By clicking on the thumbs up button, you are telling us that you really like this video. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or requests for what topics you would like to see in the future videos, leave it in the comment section. Once you finish typing your comment, don't forget to click on the send button. And of course, you can always share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more. See you next time.